Hello, people. Found a really pretty journal. Let's unbox together. Beauty of this journal lies within its pages. Wait for the reveal. When I first time saw this journal, I was in love instantly. Do you like collecting stationeries as well? Or let me know what else do you like to collect? Cover itself gives a nice aesthetic vibe, right? And now, are you ready for the reveal? And here it is, so pretty. I'm even scared to write on it, and I am thinking to make it a mess art vintage kind of journal, aesthetic art journal. So let's see. Stay tuned and let's see how I'm going to use it. Okay, and follow me for more to explore what else I make. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.